We have another new person to introduce today. Craig Andrade is the new director of the Bureau of Family and Nutrition at the Department of Public Health. Craig replaces Ron Benham, who has been with us for many, many, many years, and he is now moving in and has moved into retirement. But Craig has been recently appointed, and I think this might be among his first public exposure. So you get the first, the best. Thank you.
Good morning. I can't tell you how enthroning it is to walk into this building and see you all. Just the gigantic, wonderful community, the smiles, the hugs, the reconnections, the just spirit was humbling and welcoming. And I'm proud to extend the greetings from our Commissioner of Public Health, Dr. Monica Burrell, and to be here for the first time, but not by any means the last time. I have the daunting task to walk into the big shoes of Ron Benham, who with his team have this long legacy of head, heart, passion, and spirit that they bring to this work. And I am so ready for this job. I can't tell you how glad I am to join you all, to lean forward in this work with such bravery, courage, and energy, imagination, innovation, opportunities abound. And I can't wait to get started with you all. I believe wholeheartedly that this work is an inside-out relational approach. You bring your heart, you bring your all to this work. I have, in my career, been an advocate and champion for infants, children, adolescents, and young adults, from a healthcare provider to a health educator, a health protector, and an advocate. I even said that A word in the midst of my government responsibility, but you won't tell anybody, will you? I believe wholeheartedly that, as one person said, that proximity is power. It's critical for us to get out of our office, to get in on the ground, to meet you where you are. I can't wait to come to your community with my staff, who are all ready to lean in with a whole new perspective, making sure that racial equity is in front of us, leaning forward, that social justice is in this work, that we are leaning in bravely and saying that there are people out there waiting for us, that there are children and families out there waiting for us, and our responsibility is get there and get there soon. So I mean to see you. I hope to see you. I hope you'll come and see me. I'm going to be all around today. I have one thing to ask. I believe wholeheartedly in the testimony and documentation of communities when they get together to do this work. I think of Ken Burns and those sepia pictures that they have of those times back when they got together for this big occasion. Can I do a selfie with you all real quick? So what I'm going to do is a big panorama shot. So what I want you to do, when I get to your area, I want you to raise your hands up. If you don't want to get in the picture, just duck your face. All right? I did my hair just right for this. Ready? So as I go by, make sure you raise your hand and give your big smile and all the spirit that this room holds. All right? Ready? Here we go. You all rock. Thank you all.